Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a special recipe. I am making one of my members' favorite food ever. She said she love cheeseburgers if I can make more of them. So today I am making this delicious, mouth-watering, super cheesy double cheeseburger deluxe. If you guys are interested on seeing how it's done, you know what to do. Keep on watching. But before I begin, if you're new, be sure to subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it. And without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright, here are the ingredients. I'm using some red onions. We have tomatoes, salt and pepper. And to season our beef patty, we have cayenne, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and you can add whatever else you want to add, but this right here is what I'm going to be using for the beef patty. Also, we have some lettuce and of course the cheese. This recipe is so quick, y'all, and it tastes exactly like something you will get at a restaurant. And of course, I have some brioche bun. I love brioche bun with my burgers, and we have the beef right here. Okay, we're going to get started. First thing I'm going to be doing, guys, is mixing all of my seasonings together. Once you have your seasoning nice and ready, we're going to set that aside. Moving on, I am going to be toasting my buns. This is my buns once they're done nice and toasty. I love brioche bun, guys. The flavor is really good. It's buttery, it's fluffy. I love it with burgers, even sandwiches. All right, now that we have that ready, we're going to set it aside. Moving on to our beef patty. Now, this is how you cook your beef. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil in my skillet. Then I am going to be adding the beef patty. Now, make sure it's nice and hot before you add your beef patty. Now, this is the second one I'm actually showing you guys how to cook. I already cooked the first one. So we're going to add the beef patty just like that. You're going to season it right after you place it on the grease. Just season it just like you will season, you know, with just salt and pepper, but we're actually using a nice seasoning mix to make this beef patty taste, you know, delicious. And then what we're going to do is take our spatula and just press the beef patty down. Make sure you press it really good. That way the inside of the patty can be nice and cooked. Okay, so make sure you press it really good. Once we have one side of the beef patty nice and cooked, we're going to flip it over and season the other side as well. And then you're going to take your spatula again, press it down. Make sure you cook the beef. Okay, make sure you cook it. And then if you're not 100% sure it's fully cooked, you can pop it in the oven for a few minutes just to make sure you cook it through. It depends on how you like your beef patty too. If you like it well done or medium well, it depends on how you like it. Burger is nice and cooked. What you're going to be doing right now is take your cheese and just place it on top of the burger. And then I am going to be using a little bit of water, about 2 tablespoons of water. Just pour it in the grease, not on the burger, in the grease. And then we're going to cover it. That way the steam can melt the cheese, y'all. I love me a cheesy burger. So we're going to melt the cheese just like that, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good. And it's so easy to make a burger at home. I don't know why you're not making your own burgers, because it's so easy to make it. I mean, if you want to save time, you might just go buy it. But if you have all the ingredients, you can make it in less than 20 minutes. Okay, not even 15 minutes. Now, all I have to do is take my bun, place my burger patty on there. You can even add some pickles. I love pickles, y'all. I love pickles. So I didn't show you guys a pickle. Obviously, it's optional, but of course, it's up to you guys at this point. You can add whatever toppings that you want. And then I am going to be adding another burger on there. It is a double cheeseburger. So we're going to add another burger on top of there. Ooh, that cheese. Now I'm adding my onion, my lettuce, and the tomatoes. And yeah, basically, y'all, this is how you make a double cheeseburger deluxe at home. It's so easy, right? So easy. Let me know if you're going to try this out, y'all. Y'all have to try it out because it's so good. The seasoning mix that I use is perfect for any burger you're making at home. Any other recipes you guys want to see, let me know, because I need more ideas. I'm trying to upload as often as I can, so let me know if you have something in mind you want me to cook. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, of course, if you're new. I'll see you guys as usual on the next recipe.